Hello. Okay, today is Saturday. I'm trying to make a chicken adobo. My cup. This is my whole chicken. Look, this is the whole fresh chicken. Nice. I will cut this half because I want to do a adobo chicken bisaya, fried chicken adobo. Now I'm starting to cut this. It's very simple. And bisaya lang. Yun. See, this is the size that I do. Make sure everybody get one piece. And they have extra. The half one, I will make this one for fried chicken. This one you need to take off because we have a fat. See the fat? This one. No. The same sizes. The same sizes what I did for my adobo bisaya. Like a little sauce in it. But this one is a dry fried chicken. And this one now I will do is for my seasoning. Okay, we do this one first for my adobo. I will put soy sauce, garlic, seasoning, and salt. But I use onion, the fresh one. I use the fresh one onion. The fresh one. I use the fresh one onion and the fresh garlic. See, garlic and fresh onion. I will do first the soy sauce. The vinegar. Don't forget the vinegar. First. Two teaspoons full of vinegar. The same with the other one. Same. Okay. 2 teaspoons each vinegar. And soy sauce. That's it. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. 2 teaspoons. 2 teaspoons. Now I need onion for my adobo. Forgot to put only there. So now, I need the garlic. So this one I used to use this too. This garlic. and 1 onion. One clove, one like this onion, 1 piece. Isa ka buok na onion, igo-igo lang. Then 3 pieces of garlic. This one I think is yeah, 1.5. Yeah, 1.5 teaspoon. Tantiyahin mo lang kung ilang piraso ang garlic. I don't want to use this powder. I want to use the fresh one, so I put here. And this one also, the one piece of onion. Okay, then now you mix it. Oh, look nice, you know. Very good. And you know what I want you to do? And when I try to use one of this chili, to make sure that taste is very good. And I will whisk of this. I don't use bitter. I use salt. Yeah. Half or 1 spoon. No, 1 teaspoonful. Just wait. It's make me sneeze the. Okay, and so 1 teaspoon for the garlic, and 1 teaspoon for the salt, and 1 teaspoon for all seasoning. I use 1 teaspoon, everything 1 teaspoon, but the vinegar 2 teaspoon, and soy sauce is 2 teaspoons because I want to make sure they will soak the ingredients and soy sauce in it into the chicken, and I will use 1 piece of this. And you see this? This is spicy chili. I tried this already before. The result is very good, okay? But I think the soy sauce is not enough. Yeah. So I add 1 more of this. I add 1 more soy sauce. 1 teaspoon, okay? See here? Look, it's nice. So maybe after, I just marinate for 20 minutes, then after I will be back, okay? Now I will put my pots here. There. Now and the chicken. Okay, so now I will put my oil. Not too much on the little. Yeah, that's like 2 teaspoonful. I know the measurement already in my thinking. Okay, so now I put 2 teaspoonful of tablespoon, not teaspoon. I put 2 tablespoon of oil. Maybe it's too much for you, but for me it's okay. But you try to adjust yourself. Maybe 1 tablespoon is fine, but for me it's 2 tablespoons. Okay. Now, and I have another 2 cloves of garlic. 2 cloves of garlic. and one whole onion, one whole, like one whole thing. I just use. I want to make sure that when you cooking, it smells good. Guys, I want to tell you something. If we have mistake, we apologize. It's cold outside, but I prefer to cook outside, okay? Because winter is coming. It's almost there. And today also is very windy. So look at the chicken that we marinate. Oh my gosh, it's nice. See, look, nice and red because of the soy sauce. Very, very nice. And the chili, look. The chili, don't put like very big, ah. You need to chop like this size. Okay, that's spicy. And also, I have a very tiny chili, like that small, the size, but that's worse spicy. You put together because it's better you put together because it's more the same, you know, almost the same space and spice. Sleep. Okay. Ooh. Smell good now. Smell good. Smell good with the thing. Now when you take brownie, it's a brown, like a brown color. That's the one you put your chicken. When you are cooking, don't rush. Try to take time. Take your time and don't put too much of onion and garlic to really overwhelm things. You know. Now, very soon, very soon. I prefer to cook outside because that's what I think the thing is finished. Whoa, it's so fast. The gas is so fast to finish. Now it's brown. Okay? Now it's brown, so I can put the chicken. Ooh. Mao ni gitawag og adobong Bisaya. Ah, Filipino adobo. Filipino adobo. Pinoy cooking. Pinoy cooking. So now you cover it until it's soaking the thing and boiling. Okay, we come back after 10 minutes. It's so sweet, so like the pepper is. I can smell the. Oh, I can smell the pepper. Nice, that is. I'm so excited. See how guys look the thing, but it's not ready yet. I want to make sure that this one is like a little dry. And also I want to make sure that the chili, but I'm thinking to put another one more. You like another one more? Oh, that's enough, one more. Oh, that's only one. That's fine. Okay. Okay. So smell good. Okay, now it's ready. Look, guys, it's cooking. So I will put this now into the container. There. See. So I just leave it until. Okay. Ooh, so delicious. Oh my gosh. Can't believe how nice. Okay, now I will put in my. I think this is enough. Here. Okay. Okay, yeah. Second. Okay, now it's cooked. I will transfer in here into my container. Half a kilo of there. Hey, smell good. Mmm, so nice. I can smell the spicy. Hey, this is our menu. Chicken adobo with pepper. Okay, bye. See you next time.